Want the truth about CarShield? No matter if driving a car, truck, or SUV, CarShield has protection plans that can save you thousands on expensive car repairs. Need more convincing? They are America's most trusted auto protection company and have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. Most importantly, they're the company that I trust. And if you're like me, you love a company that puts their money where their mouth is. Best of all, you get CarShield's Price Lock Guarantee. Call today and your rate will never go up as long as you cover your vehicle, no matter how many claims you file or miles you drive.
I've been a CarShield customer for more than 2 years. I've filed 4 claims and saved nearly almost $7,000.
I've been a CarShield customer for over 4 years. I've saved over $3,000 covering 2 cars, and I couldn't be happier.
CarShield's plans cover up to 5,000 parts and systems. That includes your engine, transmission, and electronics. But that's not all. All plans include money-saving benefits like nationwide 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, help with lockouts, dead batteries, and rental car options.
I've been a CarShield customer for over 5 years, and I've saved nearly $7,000. Having CarShield means security to me.
With CarShield, saving the $2,700 has been a real blessing. I love CarShield.
So the truth about CarShield is they can help you save a lot of money on your car repairs. Not a bad deal if you ask me. All you have to do is call before your car breaks down. Call now.
Call CarShield and get a price lock guarantee, which means you pay the same rate as long as you cover your car. But you've got to call CarShield now before your car breaks down. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.